So my advice would be plan ahead. I think that, you know, the products that I've seen that have, the projects that have been most successful have been projects where they have put a lot of thought in at the design stage, and then when they're coming to the build, it's just putting everything together. So I think the more planning you do, the easier your project's going to be in the long term.
The advice that I would give to any potential self-builders is to come to a venue like this. There's so much choice, the variety of different products, the variety of different services that are on offer. It just gives you the complete package.
If there was one thing that I would say to any self-builder, it was to spend as much of your time and energy and money on investigating the fabric that you're going to build your home with. That is probably the most important thing for people to concentrate on. Once you've got the fabric right, then anything that you put inside the house will be appropriate to the type of house that you're building. So things like heat recovery ventilation or air source heat pumps, any of that sort of thing will come after the house that has actually been built.
A piece of advice that I would share with self-builders is that to do your research and make your decision on your window manufacturer really early. What we find is that so many people leave it too late, and we are then making windows to fit a particular type of reveal rather than the reveal being prepared to suit the window that you're using. All windows are different. It's not just a case of a window is a window, so you really want to know what your reveal details are so that you're getting really good insulation properties from the way that the window is fitted, and that it's going to be able to operate easily and be easy to maintain as well.
Listen to what the experts tell you. Simple as that.